Just having some fun out here, throwing some knives, hatchets, and whatever. Well, if you've seen our axe throwing video, we're throwing at the same target basically. We have a dartboard here. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. It's one of our early videos, but it's fun to watch anyway. All right, so who wants to try next? Good. Just want to give a quick reminder that we put up new videos every Friday morning. So if you like these videos, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to receive notifications when we upload the next one.
Your turn.
So knife throwing is kind of like throwing darts or hatchets. I mean, it's all kind of very similar. And they make these throwing knives. They're specifically made for throwing. Some people throw them by the tip. Some people throw them by the handle. If you're throwing a real knife, which is sharpened all the way across the blade, you know, is more likely to get cut by throwing it that way. So a real knife you would throw by the handle, but these throwing knives you can throw either way. When throwing, most people use a spin technique, which you have to be a certain distance from the target in order for it to hit properly. Your knife needs to rotate as it flies through the air, and the tip needs to hit, you know, into the target properly. There is a no spin technique where you're basically trying to throw the knife without spin. And the advantage of that is the distance from the target doesn't really matter. If you can perfect that technique, you can throw at any distance without really giving it a whole lot of thought. All right, it's another day, just having some fun out here, throwing some knives, hatchets, and whatever. Pass some time. So the dartboard that we were throwing knives at, these knives aren't sticking in that very well, so we're just going to put that thing aside, and we're just going to throw at the wood itself that's on the shed here. All right, so here's some assortment of some things that we're throwing today. We have a saw blade. Hey, if you know what video that comes out of, leave a comment below. Not sure if it'll come out before or after this one. Got a hatchet we can try. We've got a half-size axe that was actually sent to us by a viewer. And we got this little hatchet and, of course, the knives. Of course, they're all sitting on a log chair that I made with a chainsaw. We're going to see how an unmodified, really old, used saw blade sticks. Two throws and it doesn't stick, and all we're doing is knocking teeth off of it. So, yeah, that's not a good idea. Whatever. Need to throw something else. How about this half-size axe? All right, we've moved further back with the axe. It has to make full rotations. It hit, but it didn't stick. Right in the bottom. He can't get it out. Fell off on that one.
It went in and then fell out. Oh! It like went way under there. Can I throw something else?
Under the shed?
Like, yeah, it like went literally under the shed. It did? Can you get it to stick?
Yeah.
Really? Like you put super glue on the end of this and then throw it? Sure. Oh,
Go for it.
ding!
That's fairly consistent. If you enjoy axe throwing, hatchet throwing, darts, whatever, it's very similar, and it can be fun. It's definitely an outdoor activity, and it is a type of sport where it would be a good idea to wear some safety glasses. Yeah, we're not, but yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea, especially if you're a beginner with it, because if the knives hit, they do tend to bounce, and yeah, that's a possibility. Hey, our mugs have arrived. We're unboxing some mugs that we had ordered from Teespring. Success is doing what you love.
Sorry I missed your call. I was on the other line.
Live your own dream, not someone else's.
For the experienced YouTube play button.
Every wise man thinks of himself as a fool. My fishing buddies call me Dad. We offer all 6 of these mugs in our Teespring store. You can get them in any color on their store. We got blue, yellow, white, orange, gray background, and black as well. Check out the links in the description below. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and hit that like button if you haven't done so already. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every week, every Friday morning. And if you'd like to receive notifications when we do upload the next video, hit that notification bell. And check out our channel. We have several videos just like this one or very similar. We do various things including hiking, biking, boating, fishing, builds of various kinds, mostly outdoor activities. Some homesteading is thrown in there as well. This channel is for the experience. We do these things for the experience of doing them and to show others how you can do it too. We try to be fun and entertaining while being educational all at the same time. Sometimes these experiences are done for the first time, and other times they're things that we do all the time. Sometimes we do things just for the fun of doing it. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.